Coinbase. Ethereum ETF approval is imminent. Recent research from Coinbase suggests that the approval of an Ethereum exchange-traded fund ETF could surprise investors. In a briefing note, Coinbase Institutional highlights that the question is not if, but when, an Ethereum ETF will be approved. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) is likely considering the decision with similar reasoning to that used to approve Bitcoin ETFs earlier this year. Coinbase notes that the SEC evaluated the strong correlation between the BTC spot price on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange (CME), a factor also applicable to Ethereum. While there is uncertainty about a timely approval due to the SEC's apparent silence with issuers, we believe the existence of a U.S. spot Ethereum ETF remains a question of when, not if. In fact, the main reasoning used to approve BTC spot ETFs applies equally to ETH spot ETFs. That is, the correlation between CME futures product and spot exchange rates is high enough that CME surveillance could reasonably be expected to detect misconduct in the spot market. They also added that the correlation study period in the BTC spot approval notice began in March 2021, 1 month after the launch of ETH futures on CME. We believe that this evaluation period was deliberately chosen so that similar reasoning could be applied to the ETH markets. In fact, the correlation analysis presented above by Coinbase and Grayscale suggests that the correlation between the spot market and Ethereum futures is similar to that of BTC. Possibility of a surprising approval. Despite the low odds of a May approval, Coinbase indicates the market could be primed for a positive surprise from the SEC. We believe there is room for a positive surprise in this decision. Polymarket estimates the odds of a May 31, 2024 approval at 16%, and the Grayscale Ethereum Trust is trading at a 24% discount to net asset value (NAV). We think the chances of approval are closer to 30 to 40%. As cryptocurrencies begin to take shape as an election issue, it is also less certain in our view that the SEC will be willing to spend the political capital necessary to support a denial. Even if the first deadline of May 23, 2024 results in a rejection, we believe there is a high probability that litigation could reverse that decision. It is also important to note that not all ETH spot ETF applications necessarily need to be approved at the same time. In fact, Commissioner Aida's approval statement on the BTC spot ETF criticized the disguised motivation for speeding up the approval of applications, which is to prevent a first-mover advantage. The possibility of an Ethereum ETF has the potential to surprise investors. Although there are uncertainties and challenges, Coinbase analysis suggests the odds of approval are increasing. The correlation between the Ethereum futures and spot markets, along with the political and regulatory context, could lead to an unexpected approval by the SEC.